So the first thing you want to learn when you start working with Stata is to look at the interface here. In the following videos, we will see how to load the data and how to create do files, right, where you store your code. But before that, you can see that here's a command window and you can directly type here your comments. For example, if I type 2 plus 5, it will give me an error, right? Because it doesn't recognize what I'm exactly doing. But you still can do like some simple calculations like this 3 plus 6, and it will compute what I need to use. Stata has a number of built-in files, in particular for data analytics or also for some health studies. So for example, to extract these, to load these data files, you will use sys auto, right? Auto is one of the built-in datasets. If you click on this, you will see that now in the variables part of the screen, I have the list of my variables. Like I have a name, right, of a variable, and then next to it I have a label, right, what exactly it means. And for each of my variables, I can click on that. You see that there are some additional information and details available here in the properties of the file. Notice also that whatever we are doing here in Stata will be reflected here in the left part of my screen, and you can click twice on any command and it will execute it again. So it's very convenient when you debug the code, when you do some analysis, to come back maybe and rerun some of the codes. You can look at your data, which you just loaded here, into two different types of data editor, right? So you can have like just browse without any changes, and you see there are some cars here listed, also the price and miles per gallon and other statistics. But you can also click on this edit format, and then you'll be able to change some numbers here, like for example 3.5 to 3.9, and it will change it. In addition, you can already run some simple analysis here in your command line. For example, let's check a linear regression of how price depends, for example, on miles per gallon and say weight, just two variables. And if I click on that, I already have this linear regression results, right, with the coefficients and so on. So it's pretty neat, and you can start working with that right away, even if you don't have your own data. To practice these and many additional Stata tools, please check out the description for a coupon code to my new course, Jumpstart Stata in 2 hours. Thank you.